Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at solving problems using proportional reasoning with percents and ratio tables when we're given some real world problems. So we have out of the 500 cards in Andy's collection, which, whoa man, I think that that's important because that tells me that 500 is the total of Andy's collection. So 500 is the total. 125 of them show first base players. So here's our part. We want to know what percent of Andy's cards show first base players. So I'm going to make my table for part out of whole. And I know that we're trying to find percent of first base players. So my part would be the number that have first base players, which is 125. And that is 125 out of 500 of his total cards. But I want to know the percent. So I want to know what that is, what percent this is, out of 100%. Well, I see that I can divide. I can scale down by 5. 500 divided by 5 gives me 100. So I would scale 125 down into 5 groups to get 25%. So 25% of Andy's cards show first base players. Okay, let's look at one more. Andy bought a magazine for $15.18. Another magazine cost 33 1/3 as much. How much did the magazines cost altogether? So this tells me that he bought magazine 1, which was $15.18. And then he bought magazine 2, which was 33 1/3%, which I know is 1/3. So 1/3 of $15.18. And we want to know what they did and what they cost all together. So I already know the price of magazine 1. Now I need to know the price of magazine 2. So I want to know what 1/3 of $15.18 is, which means I'm just going to divide that by 3. So $15.18 divided by 3. 3 goes into 15 5 full times. So there's no partial remainder. So when I bring down my 1/10, 3 does not fit in. So I bring down my 800ths. So now I have 1800ths. And 3 will go into there 6 times. So magazine 2 cost $5.06. But we want to know what they cost all together. So we're going to take $15.18 and combine it with $5.06. So we get $20.24 total. And that's our answer. All right, guys, thanks.